Oman is moving forward with plans to build the Middle East's first integrated green ship recycling facility, marking a significant step toward the Sultanate's 2050 net zero emissions goals and sustainable maritime practices. The fully integrated port facility will be capable of dismantling and recycling more than 70 ships annually, with projections to produce approximately 2 million tons of high-quality, low-carbon steel each year during its initial phase. The project addresses growing international regulatory pressures on shipping companies to adopt environmentally responsible recycling practices, including compliance with the EU Ship Recycling Regulation and the Hong Kong Convention. The initiative supports Oman's broader sustainability strategy while positioning the country as a regional leader in innovative green maritime solutions. The project is expected to generate approximately 2,000 direct and indirect jobs and stimulate secondary industries, including eco-friendly container manufacturing. Green ship recycling involves the environmentally responsible dismantling of vessels at the end of their service life using safe, regulated and sustainable practices, contrasting with traditional shipbreaking methods that pose environmental and human health risks. The Ministry of Transport, Communications and Information Technology announced that the facility will be constructed in the Khatmat Malha area of North Batina through a partnership with Greenwheel Recycling Middle East. A concession agreement is expected to be signed this month to begin construction. The facility will supply millions of tons of low-carbon steel to iron and steel sectors, contributing to growth in Oman's non-oil GDP. Additionally, the ministry highlighted Oman's goal to become the first Gulf country to provide ships with electricity and green fuel while docked, furthering sustainable maritime transport initiatives.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.